Hey everyone, I would just like to say, enjoy the show. Perfect. Let's get started. It would be a shame if I download a virus in it. Let's see. Okay, done. Whoop. Omar, good luck for your spaceship being broken. Good morning, everyone. And good morning, spaceship. What the? It exploded? No! I gotta call my friend. I'm gonna call. Hey, Yusuf Ahmed.
Hey bro, how can I help you, my guy?
I need you to create my spaceship again because it's exploded.
You wanted me to make your spaceship again because it exploded?
Yeah, please, I'm begging you.
Okay, your spaceship will be made in 24 hours. Okay,
Thank you. My friend Yusuf Ahmed was actually amazing. Well, gotta play my computer. Later. Chatting with my friend. Chatting with Omar was great. Huh? What the? Oh. What the? Is my spaceship okay? I shall type. No. Now to go and have some nature is peace. My goodness. It feels pretty sad without my spaceship. 24 hours later. Oh my goodness. What the? My spaceship's back! Yeah! Yeah!